My name is Barry Ryan and I'm the Head of Quality at the Carbery Group site in West Cork. My background, I worked in the pharmaceutical industry in Cork for 30 years, always in the quality space. My primary degree is as an analytical chemist. Having worked in such a highly regulated industry for a long time, once I knew that the position of Head of Quality in Carbery was available, I felt that that was a role that would challenge me, but also that I would be able to, with my own expertise, to contribute to the growth of the Ballyneen site. Carbery has a long history of producing high quality products, and our relationship with our customers has ensured that we've been able to build up a high degree of trust. The main governing standard that governs the food safety industry is a standard called BRC, and Carbery has the highest accreditation of that over the years. In addition to that, because of requests from our customers, we are certified with halal, kosher, non-GMO and grass-fed. Our quality team is broken into a couple of areas, so we have a quality control function across 6 laboratories. We're one of the few dairy food labs actually in Ireland where our labs are certified to an external standard, so we're audited every year. This allows us to do a lot of our own in-house testing, so we don't rely on external laboratories as much as some other companies. A supply of milk is the single most important raw material that comes into the plant. We use that for all our products, so we have a circular economy in Carbery. So when the milk comes in and is tested and fed into the cheese, the way out of that goes over into our nutritional plant, which also feeds into our alcohol plant. So it's really, really important that the key starting material is of the highest quality that it can be. We work very, very closely with the 4 co-ops. Each of the 4 co-ops has a technical representative. So there's a two-way relationship there, which is really, really important, which allows us to deal with issues on a timely basis. So the Milk Quality Awards is a very progressive initiative that my predecessors here in Carbery started about 20 years ago. We work with the 4 West Cork co-ops, Bandon, Barryrow, Lizavard and Drina, and all our suppliers come in from those 4 co-ops, about 1,180 suppliers. The suppliers are shortlisted based on their overall milk quality. So when we visit the 12 suppliers on the 4 days across the summer, we look at how they run their farms. We look to see how they manage food hygiene on the ground, the hygiene of the yard, the hygiene of the animals, slurry control, and other general sustainability criteria. It's a very positive process to show that we are very thankful for the work they're doing, but also to give back and to allow them to see that we're very, very supportive of what they do and to keep championing it and to make sure it's as positive a process as possible for the 12 suppliers. My favourite thing about working in Carbery is absolutely the people. So many families, so many clubs, so many societies rely on Carbery and Carbery relies on them. So it's an easy place to come to work. It's very welcoming, and the people who come in here are proud to work to Carbery. People put their shoulders to the wheel, they go the extra mile, and that makes working a pleasure, but also makes doing any job so much easier because you're not carrying the burden alone. And no, it's just a really, really nice place to work.